Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Profits channel.
So we'll start with Bank Nifty and then we will move to Nifty, and a little bit we will spend some time on the key support and resistance point little more in detail, because we are going to start a new week on from the next trading day. And before we move to the next week's prediction, let's quickly observe what happened today. And if we see the trading today, it was more flat as expected. And in my previous video, if you would have watched my yesterday's video, I would have told 2 or 3 times today will be an option selling day. It will not be an option buying day. Unless you are an option seller, do not enter the trade, do not take a risk, watch the market. So this I told it, I insisted more than couple of times today, and end up with loss. Do let me know in comment what you did. I will try to understand. But again, next Friday also it's going to be same. Every Friday it's going to be same. It will be mostly flat. It will not give any one-sided big moment. So avoid doing trading on Friday if you are an option buyer in the index. Prefer instead of Bank Nifty and Nifty, prefer stock options. Or otherwise you should go for a strategy building trading. Today I also did not do much trading, but I did only one entry on Nifty. I did a short straddle. I did one ATM sell and PE sell and PE buy at around 15,700. I booked some minimum profit of 2,500. I exited the trade, and I was also traveling today, but I took a very minimal trade. I did not trade in Bank Nifty today. Okay, so let's see about support and resistance line, what we drawn yesterday for today's trading. You see, I given yesterday 34,500 at the bottom support level. I did not give more below lines. So I also told that for Friday this line is enough, more than enough. Mostly I don't see Bank Nifty going down. Even if it goes down, the support is going to be 34,500. We don't require more lines. In case if it breaks, you try to refer to the lines which is made on previous days. I told the same. And above only I gave some lines, and I did not stress much yesterday. And I also did not give went any deep dive into any option data analysis also, because each day has a character, and Friday this is how it's going to be trading. So that is more than enough. That's why I told. So exactly it came down, and what I told for Friday is anything you do, you have only two entry points, that is 34,675 above you buy. Otherwise, if price reaches here 34,845, you do a PE buy. Have targets 34,850 and 34,675 for each other. This is only two entry option I told. And for the entry option for 34,675, I told the stop loss you should keep as 34,630. I have written down in the slide also. So what happened in the morning itself, it went into a gap down and it hit the stop loss of 34,630. So the option of entry itself is gone at the opening of the day itself, and it did not touch 34,850. So there is no second option which I gave also. So naturally you should not have taken any trade today. Okay, so it is exactly how it has happened, and next week also it will be the same. So there is nothing rocket science here. It's going to be a flat for every Friday. Okay, so be careful on entering Friday. Okay, now coming to the point, why I gave only one support line is 34,500, and what is important of this 34,500 is, so 34,500 is a very important support for Bank Nifty. Let's see about what is 34,500. And in today's for Monday trade, I have given some visibility below. Okay, so we are stepping again. So we have to talk about 34,500. So I have marked some 34,400, 34,350, and 34,100. We need to know what lies below 34,500. That's why I have marked it, and little bit we'll look into it. I'll show it in the daily and weekly chart. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. So we are at 34,584. If you can clearly see 34,584, and 34,500 is this this red candle, and the resistance is 34,520. If it breaks this 34,520, we don't have any support below till it reaches to 34,450 for these two candles. 34,450. If it breaks 34,450, there is no place to settle down for Bank Nifty. It has to come directly to here, 3400. If it breaks 3400, it is going to go bottom. There is no target at all. It can go till 33,500 and the 33,700. It is very much in bottom. So if you see the daily chart, it was an uptrend, and there was little bit of consolidation, and there was a downfall, and here it is consolidating. So what we expect from Bank Nifty is, till last month we were expecting a bullish view, but suddenly it went down and it is consolidating. It went into a correction. So what we expect in Bank Nifty, it completes its correction, and it moves back upside. That's the expectation. So we don't have any tragic global news as of now. So it is doing some correction. It is doing. So what we are expecting is, if it breaks 34,500, so there is a downfall more of 200 points, 150 points, 34,450 and 34,350, more 200 points fall. If it crosses 34,350, then it comes to 34,400, almost 34,110. So this will negate the uptrend what we are expecting for Bank Nifty itself. So there is no such a bad news also. So that is why we expect not 34,500 to break. And again, this is in range. So if you see the upper shadow here, it went to 34,180 and came down. If you see 34,850 is this red candle top. So this is the range. So 34,850 and 34,500 at a support level, 34,500, at the resistance level 34,800. So now Bank Nifty is trading in this range. So we have to look forward. Bank Nifty breaks 34,850 and sustains above 34,500. The expectation is it has to go above and breaks 34,850 and go up. Let's see the weekly candle also. It will weekly chart also. It will show almost the same thing. This is the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. If you see here, we are at 34,584, and if it drops anything below 34,500, there is no stop page over here. The next stop will be at this green candle support at around 34,450. After that, again the fall down, it's going to come and settle at 34,100, 34,669. So we are at now at the tip. 34,500 is a very important support. We should not we are not expecting to break. If it breaks, then we should definitely take some PE buy side and gain some bottom points. Let's see the 5 minutes chart now. I have marked the clear points. I'll open up. Okay. So let's see what is expected for Monday. So as we saw in the weekly chart, below 34,500, the next support will be 150 points below 34,400 to 34,350. So if it breaks 34,500, we expect the Bank Nifty to take a support at 34,450 and move up. If it breaks 34,450, in case if it breaks 34,450, 34,350, it will come and settle down on 34,100. This is not least expected from the Bank Nifty for now. We don't have such any news. So for Monday, what I'm expecting is, so you see here I put a support resistance as 34,590. Monday could be a very volatile day for Bank Nifty. I'm expecting Bank Nifty to give some very big movements. Probably Monday first half could be kind of a flat over day. Maybe at open itself 9 to 9:30, 9:15 to 9:30, it gives some big movement and start running flat, or otherwise it runs flat till 12:30, and at the second half of the day it can give some big movement. But one thing is sure, tomorrow there could be a very volatile movement, maybe 300 points up, down. It could travel, and we can easily catch this trend and make a good profit. So what I suggest you is check what is the opening of Bank Nifty on Monday, and check it at around 9:30 how the trend is. If something it went as a gap up, then it's going to be a gap up. It is going to capture big points. Consider that. If it is a gap down, there no chance for big gap down, because already it is 34,584 and key support is 34,500. If it breaks with the gap down 34,500, it comes below, then definitely something is not right with Bank Nifty. Then we can definitely take lower trend entries and capture it. So 34,850 is a very important support we are expecting to break. We saw it in the daily chart. Okay, so if you want to exactly know what is the bullish point, so this is the point here, 34,740 around. So if it crosses, then it will be bullish. So I marked here, if Bank Nifty breaks above 34,680, then it will be confirmation to zoom up. Now it is at 34,584. So probably Monday usually Bank Nifty it can go flat. So wait for Bank Nifty to break 34,680. And once if it breaks 34,680, we expect to this time we expect it to break 34,850 and go upside. So if Bank Nifty is giving very bullish move, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, it usually sometimes gives 1,000 points like that. So if at all there is kind of an acceleration like that, it can directly go down to settle till 35,170. That's the highest scope. Till then, you can expect to hold to make a profit booking. So whole last week it was flat and it was taking the support, and it is trading in range. So this next week we are expecting to break the trend, break the support and resistance. The key resistance is 34,850 Bank Nifty to break, and 34,500 it should not break this support. It should trade upwards. Bank Nifty should trade upwards above 34,500, and it should break the resistance 34,850 to go up. I've given the same points as brief in the slide. We'll pause the video and free to read it. So thank you for Bank Nifty. Let's go to Nifty and check how will be the trend for Monday. We are in the Nifty chart. Nifty also did the same thing today. So it was more flat today, and I expected Nifty to come down to touch 15,690, but it was a downtrend only. Definitely it is not up, but it did not yet come and tested 15,690. So it has returned reversed at 15,740. So here for Nifty, the important support is 15,700. Now we are at 15,763. Nifty should not break 15,700. Till it did not break 15,700, we should expect Nifty to be upside. If it breaks 15,700 and goes below, then it will be a negative trend for Nifty. I have marked 2 points. What I am expecting for Monday and next week is from 15,763, it has to come to 15,690, test it and reverse back. So wait for Nifty to come and touch 15,700 and 15,690, test this point and expect a reversal from here. In case if it did not reverse up at 15,700, 15,690 when it is testing, if it breaks down, wait for 50 points. If it breaks 15,640, immediately enter into PE buy and capture the downtrend. So next point will be settlement for Nifty will be 15,500 if it breaks 15,650. If it breaks 15,500, I did not mark any lines because it is completely changing the trend. It is not it's least expected. We are expecting Nifty also to do correction and consolidation and travel up to 16,000. So we are not expecting Nifty to break 15,500. If it breaks, let's see it next day. Okay, so what we are expecting is Nifty to come test at 15,690, 15,700, take a support over here and reverse back. So if it takes a support and showing a very good reversal, enter into CE buy and have an entry at a lower price. This is the weekly chart of Nifty. So if you see here, 15,763 is at the right border of the support here. You see the two green candles, and what Nifty has done, it has dropped down to 15,500 and it has taken support, and buyers have pulled the price to 15,763. That's what happened. So it has dropped down till 15,500 and it has taken the support back and pulled it back. This is good, at least. So it has got reversed and it got pulled back. So we are expecting to do some correction over here and go upside. We are not expecting to break down. So if it breaks just 50 points, if it breaks 15,700, the next support we see is at CS 15,633. That is why I marked 1640, 15,640. So anything, if it breaks 15,640, you don't have anywhere to settle down except to come again down 15,500. If it breaks 15,500, you see there is no other point of support except here 14,125 or 14,471, or we have to take any of this ambiguity candle. So there is a doji candle here, probably we should take a support over here 14,800 if it breaks 15,500. So this is not likely expected for now at current situation, unless there is any global negative news and big negative news is coming. We are not expecting such a breakdown for now. So Nifty should sustain above 15,700 is the expectation for next week to move up. I'll take the chart of Nifty and walk through the important points. So 15,805 and 15,775 is 2 points which we have to look at. Above 15,805 you should see it as bullish, and below 15,775 you should see it as bearish. Currently it is below the support level marked, 15,775 below the support level marked. Maybe it trends somewhere below, and as I told, it touches 15,690 and then reverse back. So as of now, the current closing of the day is below the support of 15,775. So probably it comes and tests over this range and reverse back. So when it comes and tests over this range, as I said, we have to be very careful. It should sustain, and the expectation is to reverse back. And 15,870 is a very, very important support. You see here there is a reversal also happened at 15,850, and we are expecting 15,870 should break. And 15,920 is a very key decision point again. Once these 2 points is crossed, then we are in bullish market again for Nifty. We are expecting 16,000 and 16,100. There are some specific points at 16,100, but not really now to discuss. We'll discuss once it crosses 59.20 more in detail around 16,000 range. Okay guys, so I said in brief what I've explained in the video. Please pause the video and read, free to read it out. So what is the suggestion is for Monday? If you notice here, wait till 12:15 on Monday to enter new trade. Unless you are a opening market trader between 9:15 to 9:45, unless you are a trader who will catch the trend at 9:15 to 9:45, if you are there, if you are used to do that, you can do. Otherwise, mostly after 10 o'clock it will run flat. It will start running flat, and it will show some trend after 12:30. So if at all in Bank Nifty, if it is showing any big bullish move, then make an entry immediately. So what I'm expecting for Bank Nifty is to be more volatile for Monday. That means it will show some very good ranges, some 200, 300 points, maybe 500 points. The chances are there. So I can say one thing clear: it could be very volatile. It's going to give big range points possible on Monday. So try to capture the movement on Monday for Bank Nifty, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please support the video. And please be connected with me in front page during market hours. Thank you everyone. Happy weekend.